Alright, you requested a video and so I'm making a video, I guess. This is one of the trees that does not have any collision on woods. You can't hit it, you can shoot through it. I didn't bring a gun, but you know, hatchet works also. So you can easily get capped thinking that this has collision, right? Because like the next tree over does have collision. But this doesn't. Thankfully this does have collision because I think it's a little more important of a tree in terms of the gunfights going on here, but you'd expect to be able to hide behind here, right? And you could easily get shot from the car there. So you need to make your way over here, as long as you know about it. Anyway, this tree is at an angle, as we can see. And as far as I'm aware, I've looked into other trees at an angle. That's what they have in common. I'll find some other trees. There's one over here, I can see it. I am willing to bet my left nut that this tree also does not have any collision. There is the big plain also. Yeah, see, no collision. There is also the big plain that has a lot of these trees. The drone. It's a far way to run, I guess, so I'm not going to, but around the drone on the opposite side of the little mountain chain over there has a bunch of these trees, right? So again, every tree at an angle on this map, and maybe other maps as well, I don't know, does not contain collision. And that's bad, because you'd expect them to have collision. This might have collision. No, this also does not contain collision. Yeah, you'd expect to be not able to just run through like that. I mean, it's visually obstructing, sure. But yeah, I don't want to waste your time, but I mean, if you fix one crooked tree, you should fix all the crooked trees, am I right? So, yeah. Thank you for making an awesome game. And that's me, signing off. Pimp my wiki. Thank you very much. Thank you.